Hi, how are you guys? Hope everyone is doing well. For those of you who don't know who I am, my name is Stephanie and I am the esthetician over at Salon Goulart. And I wanted to hop on today because we are doing a little bit of information about skincare today. So we have put together a few different kits. Around this time of the year is when most clients would be coming in for their spring facial, just to kind of change up their routine, give their skin a little extra exfoliation. So thought this was a perfect opportunity to put together some kits. And it's not exactly the same, but it is a great opportunity for you to do a little maintenance at home yourself. So we're going to have 4 different kits available. Uh, each kit will be specifically for certain skin conditions and skin concerns that you may have. So we can narrow down exactly which kit would work best for you based on what concerns you may have. We have 4 different kits. There is a kit for dehydrated skin, a kit for anti-aging, there's one for calming and soothing, and there's one for anyone who is breaking out and a little stressed out. I know a few clients did reach out to me in regards to breakouts, so I thought it was a great one to add into the whole lineup. Within your kit, you're going to be receiving a full-size cleanser. You will have your exfoliator, which is their AHA peeling overnight mask, and you'll have their ampule mask that's is very concentrated, and there's 4 different types depending on your skin concern. And you're also going to get your moisturizer that you will be using the next morning after your facial. Okay, let's get started. So your first step is you want to remove your makeup. In the video, I'm using Babor's eye makeup remover. It is an oil-free eye makeup remover, so it is also great with clients who have eyelash extensions and also if you have sensitive eyes. So just put 1 or 2 pumps onto a cotton pad and go ahead. You can let it sit on your eyes for a little bit just to let it saturate and break up that makeup. You use around your eye, get your eyebrow makeup, and also your lips. This also works really well on a waterproof makeup. Now we move on to step 2. This is when you'll be cleansing. Each kit will have a different cleanser. Within the purifying, we use their cleanse and peel mask. This cleanser is quite unique actually. You apply it as a mask, so you put a thin layer on your face, and what this one is really great for is to help absorb any excess oil. So this is specifically recommended for a client who does have large pores, a lot of breakouts, and also a lot of blackheads. So you just apply a thin layer and you leave it on and you let it process for 10 minutes. Once your 10 minutes are up, you are going to moisten your fingertips and you're going to work the product into your skin. You'll feel that it has a bit of a grainy texture. That's what's going to help to exfoliate your skin. And don't forget, get your neck. You can get your décolleté area as well, and just work it in. It will exfoliate the skin gently while also cleansing the skin. As you saw, I did kind of go gently around the eye area. You can definitely do that as well, just to kind of exfoliate that skin. And I also did my lips. It's a great exfoliation for the lips. Then I grab a face cloth and I moisten it in warm water, and I'll use that to wipe off the product. And you can also then follow up with a cool compress. So with the warm one, you can just kind of let it sit on the skin. It will help to open up the pores a little bit and just wipe it away. You want to use something that's not too abrasive, and don't use something overly hot because you are going to be wringing it out. So you want to make sure that the cloth is damp, not soaking wet, so you don't get water all over your face. Step 4 is our mask time. So these are limited edition ampule sheet masks. There's one sheet inside of it. What's really unique about this one is your ampule is actually in a separate section. So the product is not saturated in the mask. You actually have to break the ampule and release the product into the pouch, just like I'm doing right now. So just make sure you squeeze it all in and then move the product around so that the sheet mask is absorbing all that serum. Then you just tear away at the tab, pull out your mask. Oh, okay, here I go slowly. You just want to pull out the mask. It's one sheet and you apply it on your whole face. You'll see there will be the cutouts for your eyes and your mouth. And you just apply on this face and just let it process for about 10 to 15 minutes. All right, after your 10-15 minutes are up, it's time to remove your mask. So peel away the sheets and you're just gonna massage the excess product into your skin. You are not going to wash your face again. This product is going to stay on the skin. It will absorb fairly quickly into the skin. If you have excess left still on your skin, you can just lightly massage it in, and you can use the little technique that I'm using, which is the tapping movement. It helps with product penetration into the skin. It's very calming and soothing as well. Last but not least, step 5. So here is when we are going to use some eye cream, and we're going to be using your AHA peeling overnight. The eye cream, as you can see, I am applying it on both my eyes and my lip area. And any excess product you may have, you can use it on the back of your hands. Don't waste any product. So just lightly tap it into the skin. And you can go over the eyelid as well and just follow through up into your temple area. This little technique that I'm showing you right now, this is really great for clients who do have really puffy eyes. And also this is great for some clients who are experiencing dark circles. This helps to detoxify the skin area, and it helps to move around any fluid buildup that you do have, especially around this time of the year because of your allergies kicking in from the season change. So you'll notice that I'm dragging it down to the temple, to the earlobe. So that is just to help detoxify. And don't forget to do the top And just drag it to your temple and then down to your earlobe. Now I do this little technique. It helps to stimulate your lips and plump them a little bit. Just work it in. There you go. That's it. Then we have our last product. This is your final step, the AHA peeling gel. This one is going to go on your skin. It's a very thin, light gel. Apply it on your whole face, your neck and your décolleté area, and that's all. You do not apply any moisturizer over top or any oil, and you sleep with it, and then you just wash it off in the morning. Enjoy. When you wake up in the morning, your skin's gonna feel super, super soft. So what you're gonna do is you're going to cleanse your face. You're going to tone with a toner, towel dry your face. Then you're going to follow up with the appropriate moisturizer and serum that you're going to find in your kit. So always apply serum first. You want to start with a product that feels thinner and then follow through with your moisturizer over top. Also, don't forget to use that sunblock. We are doing peels, so you do want to be extra careful to make sure that you're using extra protection on your face. So anything above a 30, or if you have a mineral-based foundation, you can also apply that. Hope you enjoyed this, and we will see you soon.